In this video, we are going to look on how to filter Dexscreener to avoid rug pulls. The best way to avoid rug pulls is to switch to Bullex, as Dexscreener does not give you much liberty to filter a lot of things, like for example, liquidity and price. So I would recommend that you switch to Bullex, as the interface is much similar to Dexscreener, so it won't be any difficult to adapt. Once you open up Bullex and click here on Filter, keep these three checked and click on Apply. Click on Filter again and keep the market cap a little high to avoid buying any scam coins. For example, I am keeping this as the minimum and maximum market capital. And click on Apply. By doing this, fair amount of scam coins are gone and your probability of getting rug pulled lowers. To be more sure and safe, just click on any crypto coin you are interested in and click on Holders to check what type of holders does this coin have. As you can see, there is an insider trader in this coin, which is not a good sign, but having one or two insiders is still considered okay. But as their number increases, so are the chances of you being rug pulled, as there is a lot of chance that insiders and developers might pump and dump the coin. As of now, we could see only one insider, so it is still fairly safe. We can do more confirmation by checking the bubble map. So just click here on Bubble Map, and we have to make sure that none of the bubbles are connected to each other, as each bubble represents an individual wallet. So the bubble map also shows a good sign, as none of them are connected. Once you review the coin properly, you can enter the amount you want to buy from here and just click on Buy to complete the transaction. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.